let's go shopping at Lucky Land! Parang Storyland lang. Naabutan niyo ba yun? Or matanda na ba ako? Guys, we're here at Lucky Land. Grabe, all of Lucky Beauty's charms are here. And are you guys seeing what I'm seeing? Dora, pet check muna bago ang lahat. Okay, mga ate ko, and the reason why we're here is because Lucky Beauty is actually launching their latest charm, which is new scent of their Lucky Potions. And syempre, para mas madali nyo maamoy, ma-experience yung mga potions na yon, pop-up sila dito sa SM Makati. Okay guys, pinapatawag ko. Guys, these are the new Lucky Potions, aka the perfumes of Lucky Beauty. Have State of Grace, Moment of Peace, and Aura of Bliss. Natin naamoyin. Walang social naman dito. Sa State of Grace, this is my favorite scent kasi it has bergamot sa top scent niya. And yung naalala ko dito ay siya. Feeling ko kasi this is perfect for date night or mga, alam mo yung night outs kasi very musky yung scent niya. Kaya ito yung favorite ko. What? Tito Boy, we're gonna try Aura of Bliss. Dito siya dito sa pop-up, guys. Isi-spray mo siya here. Ang bango, babe. Diba, pumesto na ako dito. But this is Aura of Bliss. This is actually the sweetest scent among everything. Para siyang ako. Very sweet girl na to. I feel like I would wear this on a brunch date. And maganda tong gift sa mga girlfriends mo. Kasi nga, again, very sweet siya. It's like you're my mirror. Wow, feeling! Nasira lang. Parang kamukha ko po siya. Walang sumasagot. Wala. So this is Moment of Peace. For me, this is the most unisex among all of the scents. Top notes niya, may mandarin, may neroli. So for me, very powdery lang talaga yung finish niya. Very fresh. Good for everyday. Share ko lang, alam ko ito yung charm na dadekwatin ni Bossing sa akin. Kasi again, unisex siya. Wala pa rin. So guys, among all of the scents, ito talaga yung favorite ko, State of Grace. Kasi again, very musky siya and perfect for date night. Pero if mahilig naman kayo sa sweet scents, pwede din naman kayo sa Aura of Bliss. Sa dami kong sinasabi, hindi ko sinabi kung kailan siya available. So it's actually dropping on August 18 online. Pero if you wanna smell it firsthand or gusto niyo siya maamoy in person, you can actually drop by here sa SM Makati. Malapit lang to sa sakayan ng MRT. And they will be here up until August 30. So if you're not sure kung anong scent talaga yung bagay sa inyo, pwede niyo siya i-try dito sa SM Makati. Hindi lang pabango yung pwede nyo i-try dito. You can also try other Lucky Beauty charms. You have their blushes, their powders, their skin tints, even their cream blushes. Also try all of their lip products. Kaya diba, super bongga. Getting the bottle of my Lucky Potion personalized. So ito yung itsura niya. Sobrang cute! Mga ate corner friendly doon at Lucky Land. That was actually so much fun. Nabudol po ang best friend ko. Pero if you guys wanna try the 3 new Lucky Potion scents, it's already available in store here at SM Makati but also in the retail store in SM North EDSA. Actually, magla-launch siya on August 18. Pero syempre, kung gusto nyo nga maamoy siya beforehand, then you can drop by the stores. Sinang naman, bye! Mwah! Bye! Outro ko, di niya alam. Bye! Mwah!
Mwah!
Love, love!
Charot!
Love, love! Love, love!